Hi everyone. Today we are going to see West Running Brook by Robert Frost. West Running Brook is a poem included in the 6th unit of PGTRB English Literature. This poem is also written by Robert Frost, an American poet. This poem was published in the year 1928. Actually, in this poem there is a couple. They are seeing a west running brook. Actually, usually in New England there are brooks which used to run towards east to join the sea, but this particular brook alone is something different, something unique, because which runs towards west to join the sea. So this is the speciality of this particular brook. So one couple, both husband and wife, are going to see this particular brook, and while watching they are developing a conversation. Initially they started conversing about the beauty of this ocean brook. Later that conversation turned into a philosophical talk, and so it gets over like this. So this is all about the poem. First let's see what happens. So a husband and wife, they both are feeling amazed and wondered and very much happy about seeing this particular brook, because it runs towards west in contrary to the other brooks which runs towards east. So this is the first matter, and they are discussing about that. They are seeing the brook and they feel highly elated and highly happy, and wife says that the brook seems to be so beautiful, and husband is also saying the same. The wife says that the river has confidence enough to choose a different path to reach the ocean, unlike other seas, other brooks and all choosing a same path. At the same time, this particular brook is taking another path to reach the sea. So this brook is different, same as human behavior is also a strange and eccentric, because human beings themselves did not understand what is a real quality or what is a real actual being of themselves. That's why she makes this comment. And she also says that they both, that those husband and wife, has been connected by the bond of marriage. The marriage is acting like a bridge to connect those two people. So two people from different places have been connected and living together as one life because of this marriage institution. So she says that this also one of the strangeness of life. And when she was talking like that, she sees a white wave formation in the stream. So she was highly admired that particular white wave, and she was showing that to her husband and says that, look at that, how beautiful it is, and it has created to make us happy, and we wanted to witness that. That's why it was created by the nature, by the God, like that she was saying something. But the husband says that it is not created to make us happy. It is already existing. It is already existing before our arrival, and since the existence of this stream, this brook, this kind of white this kind of white wave is there all the time. So don't make it confused. And also he says that there may be submerged rock. There may be a submerged rock. The gushed water may be hitting that particular submerged rock. From that, this kind of white wave is created. That's why it was not moving from one part to another. So wave should be moved from one place to another, but this wave is standing still, motionless. So the author says that there should be some sort of submerged rock which is making this kind of white wave. And for the husband, that white wave seemed to be a white bird which was stopped by the heavy wind, high wind. So when it was flying in the sky, as if the bird was stopped by the wind, this particular white wave appear to the husband. And the husband also says that a lot of philosophical stuff like there is a motion in the wheel while rotating while the wheel rotates. There is a motion which is the force which was making the wheel move, but that force was stable and constant, motionless. The force which is making the wheel rotate will be stable and motionless. Like that, life also has this kind of motionless points here and there. Like that, he's saying a lot of philosophical stuff. At last, they both feel so happy because the wife feels that the husband has a lot of ideas, and they both have delighted by the philosophical conversation. So they both are leaving the place with happiness as they had good and worthy conversation of philosophy there. So this is all about the poem. Thank you.